Hey, welcome back. This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And we're going to get back to that MECO emergency radio. I did some more testing of that radio. I didn't get everything done, but I got 90% of the stuff done. And I'm going to show you the results right now. Okay. We did a test to test the duration of the light, the built-in 3 LED light, after it had been fully charged. And I charged it with a USB power pack, and I charged it from a dead battery to full charge. And when I did that, the light duration, I just turned the light on, left it on, and watched it. It lasted for about 7 hours. Yeah, 7 hours. That's pretty good. Continuous, full light. There's no intensity setting on the light. It's either on or off. It provides lots of light with those 3 LEDs, and I watched it until it was pretty dim and really not usable. And it got about 7 hours of use. Okay, then I went back and I checked, now that it was dead, I checked how long it took to recharge that battery fully until that charging light on the battery, the red light, went off, meaning it was fully charged. And I was using a USB charger, would put you out a total of 2 amps, has that capacity. The device doesn't draw that much, and it took about 90 minutes to fully charge the battery after it was discharged. Okay, then I took and I turned the radio on. I turned it on to the NOAA weather station, and I monitored for how long it would play that station on that full USB charge. And it played it for about 4 hours of continuous playing at about a medium volume on the radio. 4 hours on a charge. And then I was going to do the radio duration playing after 4 hours of solar charge, but unfortunately the weather has turned bad here in Florida. We've had a great winter. It's been really nice. And all of a sudden this week it's overcast and it's cold, and so I couldn't do that test. And it's going to be that way for about a week. So it'll be a while before I get back to that test. And then the last test I did was I charged the, and oh, by the way, the radio I'm talking about is down here in the corner here. It's a MECO emergency radio. And I charged it using my crank method, where I crank for a minute and then I rest my hand, and then I crank for a minute and then I rest my hand, and I do that for a total cranking charging time of 5 minutes. And then I played the radio again, and it lasted about 30 minutes. So you get that 5 minutes of cranking, you get about 30 minutes of playtime on the radio. Now, based on what I've seen so far, if you were just using the flashlight would last much longer. So that's it. The light will not work with a dead battery off of a USB port. Excuse me, it will work. The radio will not work off of a USB, off the USB port with a charger connected to the radio. If you'd like this radio, or you're interested in buying it or any other thing else, please visit my Amazon store, and here's the link. I am now putting the link down in the description below each of my videos, so you can go there and either purchase this item or anything in my store or anything in Amazon. If you use this link and you go to Amazon and you purchase birdseed, I still get a commission off it. I use that commission to buy things to review on my shows. So anyway, have a happy new year. Thanks for watching. Have a happy new year. Bye-bye.